Good afternoon, 5th graders. This is Mrs. Dorn. Today's objective is to identify the characteristics of different ecosystems. So you will need your iPad and you will need a pen or pencil to write with. Take a moment to make sure you have those. Okay, in today's activity you will be participating in an ecosystem web quest. Your teacher will be giving you a sheet that you will be writing on. I will be putting you into groups, but first let me explain the purpose of the web quest. There has been a terrible natural disaster which has completely mixed up all of the world's ecosystem characteristics. The desert is freezing and there are tigers swimming in the ocean. We need your help to straighten up our ecosystems and get them back to normal. Today you will work in a team of 5 researchers to sort out this mess. Then you will give a special news report on the evening news outlining the characteristics of different types of ecosystems. So, when I am done giving you instructions, you will be going to this website, and your teacher will have that address for you. When you get to the website, the first thing you should do is watch this video right here. You might choose to watch it on your own, or as a group you might gather around one iPad and watch the video. Either way is fine with me, but you do need to watch the video before you start. Once you have watched the video, you can click here to receive your tasks. Your team's job is to research the world's ecosystems and put them back together. Then you will report on the corrected ecosystems on the evening news. But first you will fill out a chart on 5 different ecosystems. So each person in your group will be researching a different ecosystem. It says then you will create a news report using your iPad and the iMovie app. You will not create the news report today. When I return, we will work on that. It says to continue, click here to receive the procedures you are to follow. So you're following along, right? As soon as you're done here, you can go right to this website and find these instructions. It says click on Ecosystems Chart in the attachment section below to get and print your chart. I have already printed that for you, and it's going to look like that. The 5 ecosystems you will be researching are estuaries, or salt marshes, oceans, lakes and ponds, grasslands, and forests. What do the letters mean? Each one of you will be assigned a different letter, so you'll know which one of these you're researching. So you'll only fill out one column of this. If I am researching salt marshes, I will first describe this ecosystem's climate. That means its weather, its temperature, how much rainfall or snow does it get. On the next page, you will describe this ecosystem's characteristics. Maybe what kind of trees or plants grow there. Is it fresh water or salt water? Down in this box, you're going to fill out whether it's aquatic, and it means a water ecosystem, or terrestrial, which means a land-based ecosystem. Then, in this box, you will list animals that live in this ecosystem, at least 10 of them. Then you will list plants that live in this ecosystem. And at the bottom, if there's any other important or interesting information, you'll record it here. Remember, you are only doing this for your own ecosystem that you will be assigned. Everybody else will be writing in these different boxes. Each person will have a paper filling in only one column. And then as a group, when you get together, you will be able to see each other's information. Okay, so that's the handout that either has been given to you or will be given to you soon. Back underneath the procedure, there are resources for you. So if you click on the Resources tab, that'll come up. And each one of these websites, if you are researching estuaries or salt marshes, here are some websites you can go to. If you are researching oceans, here are some websites you can go to find the information to fill in your chart here. Okay? All right, I'm just going to go back here. Number 3 says use iMovie to create a news report. Again, you'll be waiting until tomorrow to do that. But down at the bottom, this is important. It says review both rubrics. This tells you how the iMovie will be graded. This movie down here tells you how your chart will be graded, the information that you're providing. So if you click on that, I tell you how you are going to be graded. So when you get to the website, You should read this carefully because you will be graded on this. Okay. And don't worry about the iMovie rubric yet. Okay. Under conclusion, just gives you a little bit of information. Now, this was not created by me, so don't try to contact me. You'll end up contacting somebody named Melissa, and you don't want to do that. There's all the information that you will need. Your group members are. Group number 1 is Mavic, Jaden, Brenna, Landon, and Claire. Group 2 is Sadie, Catherine, Tayden, Wyatt, and Rachel. And then next to your name is a letter, and that tells you which ecosystem you will be researching. So take a moment, please, to see who you're with and to remember which letter you're researching. You can even write that down on your paper. Okay, guys, when I get back tomorrow, you should have your portion of the chart filled out, and then we'll start talking about the iMovie. Have a great day, guys. Thanks.